Step again. I'm going to be doing another reaction video again. Well, today, and this time, I'm going to react to Jackie Heroux's food reviews of her video called New Dairy Queen Oreo Dirt Pie Review. And Pie Blizzard. Sorry, sobered up my letters there a bit. So yeah, I'm going to be reacting to it. But before I even start, I wanted to give you a disclaimer here. If you do not like the content I make, the reaction videos, or any other stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, then don't watch and go somewhere else. Because the only thing you're going to be doing is giving me a view. And that's the damn true one. That's the damn truth and nothing but the truth. So yeah. So now without further ado, let's get the video right now.
Guys, welcome to today's review. Today's going to be a Dairy Queen Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard treat. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to be trying today the new Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard treat from Dairy Queen. It comes with Oreo cookie pieces, gummy worms, fudge, and crumble, blended with their soft serve. We're going to give it a shot, see how it is. See if we can find the gummy worms. So far, it's just the Oreo pieces and the crumble. So we're not finding any gummy worms in here. Huh. Okay. No, just another cookie piece. Okay, well, this is a bit of a fail. There's no gummy worms in there. Not that I can find anyway.
Okay.
I'm looking here, and I don't see any in there. Tastes good, but I'm still not finding.
What the
Sorry,
frick?
guys.
What the heck was bouncing over there?
Well, I'll let you guys know later in the description if I find gummy worms in here. Well, so far there's no gummy worms in there at all, which is the main reason why I wanted to try this. I love Oreos, right? So I'm really disappointed. So it's gonna be a thumbs down. It's gonna be a fail, even though it tastes good. Like, you're missing one of the ingredients. So.
What the heck? What the frig?
Hey, at least you're getting some entertainment out of the review, guys.
Yeah.
Anyways, Dairy Queen, come on. Like, what's up with this? There's no gummy worms in here. Like, really? I am really disappointed. Again, thumbs down. Let me know if you guys would try this Blizzard. Hopefully, when you guys try it, they put in the gummy worms. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just let me know if you guys would try a Blizzard like that or not.
What the frig?
Or belch like Heath. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Oh my goodness. Someone bouncing in the background. So yeah, that's the end of the reaction video. I hope you guys like this reaction video, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys do like it. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on for every time I upload. And share my videos and reaction videos to your friends and family also. If you want to, it's your choice, because I ain't making ya. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to Jackie Heroux's food reviews if you're new. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe. And we're on the road to 2K subscribers and maybe 3K subscribers. So yeah, and that's pretty much it of this reaction video. And I'll see y'all for more banger reaction videos. And I'll see y'all in the next time. Someone keeps bouncing in the background. See y'all there. Jeffrey Jones, and peace out, everyone. That thing can bounce.